Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Earlier today, I made a video on this using a 5-sided polygon. And then somebody asked me, could you do it with a 6-sided? You can do it with whatever sided polygon you want. So I thought I'd make a video on it. I'm going to make a 12-sided polygon. I'm going to hit P to put it in the center of the page. And all you do is exactly like we did before. Get rid of that node on the straight side. Then select all the nodes and go right here to convert to a curve, symmetrical, and then just start playing around with this. And you can make it a 6-sided. Now, just to make the video a little bit better, you could right click on that, or right click and turn that into a cusp. And then you could do this and have a different look. I'm not going to say play with that because you're not going to get a symmetrical. So let's just back up here till it was and play around with it, make it a circle, extend these handles out, and even have them over cross. And then let's make them something other than a hairline and make them, you know what, let's make it a little bit thinner. Then go up to object, convert the outline to an object, left click, right click, and look at that. It's an object that's all welded together. And then you can do just like we did in the video before. I'm going to fill that in with purple because you can use any color you want. And, you can do exactly what we did before. Interactive fill tool, come across it, and let's put a black box around it, just see what it looks like. I'm going to click a black box, go up to object, order, back a page. That's pretty cool within itself. But if we take it and go elliptical, and see the white doesn't really show up, but you could put another white like right here. And really that's almost glad I made the video. This white deal is only working like in the center. So if we bring this white out, it'll make that white. If we leave it in here, it just barely does anything. Now, like before, we could use one of the preset fountain fills, and look at that right there. Anyway, so the answer is yes. I like this one, this shape the best right now. That looks pretty cool. Anyway, so that answered his question, hopefully, and helps somebody in the future, and thank you for watching.